Hello lovely people, welcome back to this new quick tutorial of Quick Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how can you download WhatsApp app on Android. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your Play Store app. Firstly, you have to open your Play Store application, and after opening the app, just click to this search button into the top of your Play Store. Step 2. Search for WhatsApp. Now after coming to the search tab into Play Store, you just simply have to type WhatsApp in there. And after typing, just simply click to search button and then you can see this WhatsApp Messenger option here. Step 3. Install the app. Now after selecting WhatsApp Messenger, you just simply have to click into this install button here. And depending on your network connection, your WhatsApp app will be downloaded shortly. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching.